Let's make C-clasp. First, mark the line from visual undercut to distal undercut and palatally. Take 0.8 mm stainless steel straight wire. Start bending by universal plier from one end and give C shape. Check it on the cast. Now mark the wire at distal undercut. Now place the plier at marking and give a bend away from the cast. Check it on the cast for better adaptation. Now mark at occlusal level surface of wire. Bend it 90 degree and adapt in interdental area. Mark the point for lingual adaptation. Give a bend according to palatal curvature. Cut extra wire safely. Make sure wire is perpendicular to midline. Make some final adjustment according to palatal curvature. And last, make measure tag. Thank you for the watching.